Okay. I just got asked by somebody. They didn't watch my other video. It's a phone call. I just got asked by somebody about finger math. Okay. Okay. Dramatic. Okay, here's the thing. Finger math. It's a simple thing. Okay. It's binary math. That's it. I mean, it's binary. Okay. You know, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. You just double the number. You start with 1, you double it to 2, you double that to 4, you double that to 8, you double that to 16. 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. It's that easy. Okay? Here's the thing. 512 plus 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 1,023. Now you can multiply anything in between there, 1 and 1,023, times anything between there, 1 to 1,023 on 2 hands. Or you can do it on one hand, you know, there's 1, 2, 31, because 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 31. It's that simple, okay? Grab a pen and a piece of paper, if this makes more sense to you. Okay, take any number, okay, between 1 and 31, okay, and write it down. Okay, then take a different number or the same number, it doesn't matter, and write it down, okay? And just basically have 2 columns. It's an easier way to do it, okay? Figure out which one of those numbers is easiest to double and do it second. It's easy. So, as an example, let's do 16 times 8. They're both pretty easy to double. You know, 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32, right? We're 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 5, 12, 10, 24, 20, 48, 49, 6, and so on. So they're pretty easy to double, okay? And just whichever one you like better, okay? Like, I like 8 better, so we're going to go with that one second, okay? You find the other number on your hand. You got 1, you got 2, you got 4, you got 8, you got 16. Hey, 16. That's all you need. Your pinky. It comes in handy. Oh, cookies. Anyway, comes in handy. Okay, that's your number 16. Okay, 16 times 8. So this is where we double. Okay, put your pinky down. You start with 8, where the 1 was. 8 times 1. Okay, it's that easy. 8 times 2, 16. Times 2, 60. Wait, 32. 32 times 2, 64. Times 2, 128. 16 times 8 is 128, right? Does that make sense? Well, let's do a different one. 7 times 12, okay? 12 is a lot easier to multiply times 2 than 7. I mean, for most people, I personally like doing 7 times 2. It's easy. Like, if you divide 7 by, you know, or 100 by 7, like you get 7% of 100, right? It's, you know, easy. You know, makes life easy. And just say it goes in there 14 times-ish. You get a little bit left over. Yeah, and if you like rounding, it works fine. But I'm okay with doing 12 times 2. It's 24, 48, 96, whatever. And that's what we're going to go with, okay? Yeah, my hand is... Ooh. Okay. What did I say it was? Oh, 7 times 12. Okay, 7 times 12 is a pretty easy one. If you remember your multiplication chart, everybody remembers, you know, 12 times 12 is 144. Everybody skipped to the end. I remember that when I was a kid. Everybody knew what 12 times 12 was. Nobody knows what 12 times 13 is, though. It's just funny. But yeah, okay, 7 times 12. We know what 7 times 10 is, right? We know what 7 times 2 is, right? So 84, fucking duh, because you just add those two together. But we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it another way, where we're doubling 12. That's it. Okay, 7 on your hand. Okay, you got 1, 2, 4. Oh, wait, that's it. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7, right there. Make sense? 7. Okay, one more would be 8. And 16, right? 1, 2, 4. Sorry, Mom. 8, 16. Okay. Truck's doing its thing. It starts, it runs, it makes julienne fries. It runs, it's weird. Anyway, it's a simple thing. You multiply, right? Times 2. Okay, so you're going with these 3 fingers here, because 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Yeah. Okay, then you bring in the other number, 12. You start with 12 in the 1 position, because 12 times 1 is 12. Okay, 24, 48. 48 plus 24 plus 12 is 84. Okay, well, let's do that again. 48, right, plus 24 plus 12. You see that? It's that easy. Because that was what 7 was. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7, right? 12, 24, 48. 48 plus 24 plus 12, 84. I don't know how else to explain it. It's really not that hard. The trick is getting practice with it. Earlier I said, 12 times 13. Nobody knows what the hell that is. I mean, seriously, you add 12 to 144. It's that easy. It's like 156, but people don't get that, And if you really want to have fun with somebody, once you get that one to them, ask them what 13 times 13 is. They'll shit a brick. It's 169, by the way, in case you're wondering. But if you want to have some fun, you want to run through that real quick. 13 on Scooby Trucker finger math. Okay, 13, right? Let's see here. There's an 8 in 13, right? There's a 4 in there. Okay, so that makes it 12. We don't have room for a 2, so that one stays down. And we got this one. Okay, and then that's what you're. Okay, 13's a dog apparently. Okay, then times 12, right? Is that what we're doing? 13 times 12. Make it easy. Okay. So we gotta go back to 12. Times 1 is 12. Okay. Times 2 is 24. 48. What's this one? Huh? 96. Okay. So anyway, 96 plus 48 plus 12. Right? 156. Poof! Okay, see how easy that is? It's easy. It's not a hard thing. I don't see why people have a hard time with it. It drives me nuts. Anyway, that's it. It's just another chapter of the finger math, which people still, they don't get. So, I'm doing it again. Thanks. I'm sorry for the fingers. It's not the end of the world. It's seriously, it's 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Anything times 5 is pretty fun. Click the bell after you subscribe. Give me a thumbs down because I'm an asshole, or a thumbs up if you're really into getting the finger